ये हमारी बाइक्स है, ये हम हैं, हम यहाँ पार्टी कर रहे हैं।
Yo, what's up everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. Today is 14th of March 2021. It's been almost like 14 days since I went out for a ride last week. I couldn't go because I was having some office work and all. I had to complete it over the weekend, so I couldn't go anywhere. Today, right now, we are at the Shell petrol bunk. Me and my brother. There is his bike. He some water bottles. We are waiting for Santosh. He will be joining over here. And today we are heading towards BR Hills. Basically, just a viewpoint. That's almost near to 163 kilometers one way from Bangalore. So the round trip is going to be around 330 to 340 kilometers. Yeah, he got the water bottles. Boom, boom, boom. Let me put these. Yep. The ride is started now. Speed over intercoms. The time is around exactly 7 o'clock in the morning. Now we are heading towards BR Hills. Billy Rangana Hills, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, Biligiri Rangana Betta. That is the place. This is actually identified as a tiger reserve as well. This place is in between the Karnataka border and Tamil Nadu border, the Tamil Nadu district of Erode. It's on the border of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. What happened? Yeah. There is a very huge group over here of bikers. You can see on my left, everyone are forming up for the ride. I think it's a RE group. I can see a lot of Royal Enfields. Definitely an RE group. We are actually a bit late, like 15-20 minutes. Our plan was to start around 6:30 in the morning, but yeah. Clear skies. We are just entering Kanakpura. We need to stop somewhere over here and take some cash. We don't have any cash with us, and the place where we are going, we definitely need some cash. I told Santosh to get some cash. We will check if we get any ATMs or anything. We will get some cash. Yeah, take it. We are just crossing the bypass of Malaveli. We completed almost like 1.5 hours of riding. I think we covered around 70 to 80 kilometers till now. So we are planning to take a break. We'll have a break first and have some water and then again continue the ride. We'll stop under some shade. Yeah. Here I thought this mesh is there. No? Let's stop over this place. We'll have our breakfast. We are done with our breakfast. We took a decent break for like 15-20 minutes. Now we are starting from here. ETA says we will be reaching the viewpoint in 1 hour 32 minutes. ETA is 10:28, almost 10:30. Yeah, roads are good so far. Hope this continues. Bilgiri. We are just entering into the Bilgiri forest range. You can see this is the tiger sanctuary that we have. We need to enter a few things. We'll go fill our details and then come back. Sir, enter, sir. KA01 HY 5551 Shravan SRAVAN. Okay, 8844. 3 3 bikes, 3 people. Okay, thank you. Okay. We need to turn off the camera, guys. Okay. It's on the recording press agilla. Okay. Yes, nothing. He told not to record anything, not to stop anywhere. Don't stop anywhere and off there. Yeah. So guys, we got a very strict guidelines that not to turn on the camera. They are going to check anything while we are exiting this, then again it will be a problem. So I am turning off the camera. Stay tuned. How is the view, Santosh? It was nice actually. We couldn't stop, but if you are stopping there and taking a photo, right, it will be very nice. You turned on your camera? Nice. Very sharp curve, slow down. We need to go on top of that hill. There is one temple over there, you can see. Coffee Day is also there, man. Hey, they developed it a lot actually. This much of development was not there, 100%. We'll go back there near that cafe or like what? Something is that I'll have some coffee. We just took a small break over this place. We had some tea.
Yeah, so finally we reached the destination. We really had a very good time while riding. Uh, we did many funny things and all. I will share it with you anyway. Uh, yeah, finally we are on top of this hill. This is the elephant wildlife camp. Behind me you can see a small lake where actually these deers, even tigers and even elephants, every all of them will come over this lake and they will have water and all. If we are lucky we can capture any one of them, either an elephant, either a deer, either what do we say, a tiger maybe. I don't definitely think tiger will come, seeing this much of crowd over here, but yeah, expecting so. We really had a good time here. You can actually get accommodation as well, but you need to pre-book it. You can see those all are small cottages and all. There you go, you can see 2 deers are there. I think they are coming here to have some water. Yeah, yes, actually I saw many of them, like 15-20 of them. They were walking on the other side, this side. Now 2 of them came here. Now you can see few more of them. I think around 10 to 5 to 10 deers are there over there. And yeah, where? No, they are going away. No, that I showed. Yeah. So there you can see, there. Yeah. So many deers and all are there. Last time I think when I came I saw elephants and all. This time I'm seeing deers. Maybe after a few years when I come back here I might see a tiger as well. How is the ride, Santosh?
Nice. Fantabulous. It was nice. The roads were excellent.
Yeah,
Must
we really
recommended.
yeah
Recommended to come once.
yeah this is really meant for riding. Actually, I'm telling you guys, right, again and again I'm repeating. And that is the place where you can go for elephant safari, tiger safari and all. The ambience here is so good, you will be really loving it. The temperature is also very less. It's not like too much. It's afternoon 12 o'clock right now, and I'm wearing these jackets and all, but still I'm not even feeling a small drop of sweat anywhere on my body. Yeah, that is how it is. And now enjoy the cinematics. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah, finally we are done here. Trust me, it's all about the ride. If you are coming here during proper winter or rainy season, you will be enjoying a lot with the weather, with the greenery, everything. Yeah, that is all about this place. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That will be great support to the channel. With this note, this is Shravan signing off along with Santosh and Madhur. See you in another vlog. Now let me concentrate on this corners and enjoy my ride back home. Bye bye.